Well, that's the motor. Yep, that's the motor. And Cal just ran upstairs. There's a bunch of pieces of stuff. Yep. So, Cal's toolbox. Oh, there's the frame. That's all that's left. All that's left of a $3,000 quad, huh? Holy hell, there's the tires and the tank piece. Yep. More stuff. Huh? Axles and hubs and arms and stuff. Huh? That's about it. Look at them shocks, huh? Cute. Alright, well, back to the frame. Back to the frame. Oh, there's the Bimford 5000 powder coating control panel. Some bitch. My toolbox. Huh? Cool. I wanted to do this while we were tearing it apart, but I forgot. Oh well. That was Kyle's bench. This is Daddy's bench. There's the motor. Getting ready to go to McVeigh's. It's all ready to go, I guess. Okay, see you, bye. Say goodnight, John boy. Good night, John boy.